sharing with collaborators or developers. The goal of this lesson is to show learners how to share their Uizard project with teammates or developers for feedback and handoff. Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. So far we have built our app designs. Okay, we made it interactive and we also tested it. Yeah, now it is time to share your work with collaborators. All right, collaboration is key in design, and Uizard makes it super easy to share your prototype with teammates, clients or developers. Finding the share option. So guys, let's go ahead and find the share option. Now let's come right here where we have our untitled blank project. Okay, now let's assume that this is our project right here and we are done with everything, right? So guys, move to the top right corner of your Uizard interface. You can see where my mouse cursor is on. All right, in this top right corner of your Uizard dashboard, you will find the share button. Click on it and you will see options to share your project with others. Now let's go ahead and click on it. And that's beautiful guys. So guys, it says add new members to your project. All right, people invited will be added to your organization. Remember, we have created an organization called Bagzinet Productions, right? This is the name of my organization. All right, now in order to add new members to your project, you can come right here and then type their email address. Okay, let's say nicoledan@gmail.com, and that's beautiful guys. So guys, once you have entered the email of the new member you would like to invite or you would like to share your project with, just go ahead and click on invite. All right, you can invite as many members as possible. All right, and that's beautiful guys. So guys, the simplest way is to share a link. All right, you can copy the project link and then send it by email, chat, or even embed it in project management tools like Notion, Trello or Slack. All right, now let's come right here where it says embedded. All right, you can see what it says here. All right, it says you can embed your project on any website. To enable embedding, you need to publish your project first. All right, so guys, let's see how it works. Now you come right here on the second tab where it says publish, and then you click on publish. All right, now it says publish to web. Now it also says make this project publicly available so that anyone with a link can preview the project. Now let's go ahead and click on publish project and see what we have. And that's beautiful guys. Now you can see what it says here. It says this project is on the internet and anyone with the link can view it. All right, so guys, we have successfully published this project. Now you can come right here and then click on copy link. All right, when you copy this link, you can share it to monday.com, you can share it to Miro, you can also share it to Jira. Okay, you can also share it to Confluence. All right, this is how you can share your prototype, guys. You can also share to other social media accounts. All right, you can see Facebook, Twitter, and your LinkedIn. Right, by default your collaborators can view and click through the prototype. All right, if you would like, you can adjust the permission, and that's beautiful, guys. Now let's see how we can adjust the permission. Uizard lets you control how people interact with your project. All right, you can set permission to view only. All right, and this is perfect for clients who just need to see progress or give edit access. If you are working with teammates who will make changes directly in the design. All right, now let's come right here and then let's see some permission settings. Right, so guys, when you come right here, you can see owner. Right, now what you're going to do right now is this: you can restrict, or should I say permit, your project just for owners. All right, which means that the owner of this project can only own this project and edit it. All right, additionally, you can also make the creators to edit this project. All right, this means only the creators of this project can edit this project. Additionally, you can also make viewer. All right, that means viewers can only view and comment on this project. But you can see what it says here. It says you can't restrict your access to this project. Now this option is very important because this keeps you in control of who can do what with your design, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead and see what the developer handoff is all about. Now if you are working with developers, all right, Uizard makes it easy to hand off your project. This means they can preview the prototype, inspect the design elements, and even export assets. Now let's close this down and then let's come right here. You can see where my mouse cursor is on, it says export. All right, now let's click on export and see what we have here. It says welcome to handoff mode. Select any screen or component to export visuals and inspect React and CS code. Now let's click on this screen and then let's see what we have here. All right, now let's come right here and click on export. So guys, you can see what we have here. All right, it says export. You can export on PNG files, JPG files, SVG files, and PDF files. Okay, so guys, this means that your design are not just pictures, they are actionable files that developers can use to bring your app to life. And that's beautiful, guys. But right here it says upgrade to Pro. All right, inspecting React and CS code and exporting assets is only available on Pro and Business. You see, this is the advantage of upgrading to a better plan. All right, it says remember we are still on the free plan. You can see where my mouse cursor is on, so it says upgrade to Pro. All right, so guys, we are just assuming that we have a project that is ready for export. Okay, in case you want to export, make sure you are signed up to a Pro plan, okay, or a business plan for you to export. All right, and that's beautiful, guys. Now let's close this down. So guys, let's go ahead and see what real-time collaboration is all about. And here is one of the best parts. Uizard supports real-time collaboration. This means multiple people can work on the same project at once, just like in Google Docs or Figma. So guys, that's how you share your prototype with collaborators or developers in Uizard. With just a few clicks, you can get feedback, make edits together, and even hand your projects over for development. So guys, next we will wrap up things with the final project, where you are expected to design and share your own app prototype, all right, based on the instructions provided in the project section. All right, go through the instructions provided in the project section, all right, so that you can go ahead to design your own app prototype. And that's beautiful, guys. Thanks for participating, guys. Do well to also participate in the project works, all right, so that you can have a taste and feel of what designing a prototype with Uizard is all about. And that's beautiful, guys. See you in the next course. Stay focused and always stay blessed. So guys, we are done with sharing and collaboration, and it is important to understand that collaboration is key. All right, sharing prototypes lets your team to test, review, and prepare for development seamlessly. And that's beautiful, guys. See you in the next lesson.